لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على نبيه الكريم وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين أما بعد. In this meeting, I want to speak some words about the tolerance in Islam. Dear audience, today it is surprising that violence is associated with Islam and Muslims are labeled as terrorists. In fact, it is Islam which first proclaimed the slogan of universal brotherhood, equality, justice and tolerance at a time when the humanity was fast asleep in the gruesome darkness of ignorance. The first and foremost principle of Islam is that all human beings have descended from one father and mother. Thus they are equal on the basis of humanity. The Quran says, يا أيها الناس إنا خلقناكم من ذكر وأنثى وجعلناكم شعوبا وقبائل لتعارفوا إن أكرمكم عند الله أتقاكم إن الله عليم خبير. O mankind, we have created you from a male and a female and made you into races and tribes so that you may identify one another. Surely the noblest of you in Allah's sight is the one who is most pious of you. Allah is all-knowing, all-aware. The Prophet, Allah bless him and give him peace, said, O people, behold, your Lord is one. There is no superiority for an Arab over a non-Arab, neither for a non-Arab over an Arab, nor for a black on a red, nor for a red on a black, but duty, piety and righteousness. Musnad Ahmad Hadith 22391. Dear brothers, considering all people equal is the foundation stone of tolerance and coexistence. The second thing after equality is justice. Islam asked Muslims to hold on justice and fairness with people in every condition, even if they are enemies and opponents. The Quran says, يا أيها الذين آمنوا كونوا قوامين لله شهداء بالقسط ولا يجرمنكم شنآن قوم على ألا تعدلوا اعدلوا هو أقرب للتقوى واتقوا الله إن الله خبير بما تعملون. O you who believe, be steadfast, for Allah witness for justice. Malice against a people shouldn't prompt you to avoid doing justice. Do justice, that is nearer to taqwa, piety. Dear audience, Islam regarded freedom of expression a birthright of human being and termed force and oppression as unfair and forbidden. Islam utterly abhors conversion by force and calls those who accept Islam duty and force fair or greed as munafiq, I mean hypocrite.